This is Southwest 212 on a short Wednesday. Let's get started with some math. But before that, we got ourselves a genuine Funko Pop Lightning McQueen in the box, number 282. It's never been opened. Look how fresh that is. Never been opened. You can even tell it's got the Funko.com little stamp right here. It's for ages 3 and up, so I'm allowed to play with this. It doesn't say stops at 19. It's 3 to until you die. Okay, so since it's never been opened, let's open it. Let's see what's really inside this and take a look at it closely and make sure this is really genuine. Let's see if it rolls. Those don't look like real tires, actually. So I guess we'll find out. It kind of opens on the side over here. Oh, it's got this nice little flap, Lightning McQueen. Pop! Slide it out. Oh, first time ever. I've never done this before. Well, I guess we just remove these, I guess. Yeah. Oh man, there it is, guys. Let's get a side view on this. Number 95. Ka-chow. Oh, this is perfect. This is exactly what I needed. So, I'm going to have to contemplate whether this is going to go back in the box or it's just going to be like out now that Lightning McQueen has come out of the box. So, all right. Let's get to it. All right, we're going to read number 4 right here. Let's zoom into that and dominate this problem right here real quick. The graph to the right contains information about the charges at Euclid's car wash. Find the following information. Let's find the slope and the y-intercept. Well, if we have a graph, let's find the y-intercept first. That's the easiest. Here we go. Here is the y-axis. Looks like the line hits right here at 4. So I'm going to put 4 for my y-intercept. Now I'm going to have to write, what does that mean down here? So if I look at this, no time has passed, but I've been charged $4. So I need to decide why somebody was charged $4 before they got their car washed. And you could write anything you want here. Maybe they had to buy $4 worth of stuff in the store to qualify for a car wash. Maybe it's for the soap and the towels and all that stuff. So I'm going to say it's for the soap and towels. You can make up whatever you want there. Something that makes sense for why you paid $4 before you started. And let's find the slope. This one's kind of key. You got to check the scale because it's not going by ones. Notice each block on the bottom is going by 3. Each block up is going by 2. So I'm going to have to kind of take that in. I'm going to use this as one of my good points. And looks like it crosses at a good point right here. So I'll make my triangle, my run, and my rise from 4. And that looks like, I think that's 6. So that's up 2. And it is going over from 0 to 6 here. So that went over 6. And we can write our fraction now. Rise over run. That would be 2 over 6. And I'm going to write what that means. It is $2 every 6 minutes to go through the car wash. And then we'll write our equation. Y equals mx plus b. All I need to do is plug in this m and this b right here. So y equals 2 over 6x plus 4. Ka-chow! Where's my mouse?